I have a really interesting and effective photo tip for you today, and it's all about rain. Okay, let's begin. Most of you already know this, and it's really nothing new. However, there's very few people who actually go out when it's raining or just after rain to capture the city lights. It's really quite incredible. So this is just a quick tutorial, actually a quick encouragement that the best time to photograph the city streets, I'm not talking about street photography with people so much, but city streets is when the rain has fallen. And as you can see, what happens is the lights from the buildings, the electric lights, reflect so wonderfully on the pavement or cobblestone or whatever you have. So what you need to do is have a tripod, get totally set up, make sure that you use a 2 or 5 second timer so that you don't shake the camera while the picture is being taken. And there you go, it's that easy. Now this composition itself isn't the greatest because my picture is sort of divided in two. However, I wanted to take this to show you how much effective light there is, or sorry, effective color in a shot with a lot of rain. So at the bottom we have nice reds, we have some blues, we have some yellows over here. There's just so much color after a rain. So get out there, next time you're in a city, after it rains, make sure you use a tripod. And it doesn't really matter what camera mode you use as long as you get the shot. Happy photography, and I hope to see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow.